A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a surprising turn of events, a federal grand jury has indicted Wisconsin Judge Hannah C. Dugan of the Milwaukee County Circuit Court. This indictment comes on the heels of her arrest last month, where she was accused of aiding an undocumented immigrant in evading federal authorities. Dugan now faces serious charges, including concealing a person from arrest and obstructing official proceedings, as reported by various news outlets. Dugan's attorney has publicly defended her, stating, "Judge Hannah C. Dugan has committed herself to the rule of law and the principles of due process for her entire career as a lawyer and a judge." This statement reflects the tension between her legal obligations and the accusations of complicity in illegal immigration. The case has ignited a firestorm of debate regarding the role of judges in immigration cases and the broader implications for the judicial system. This incident is not occurring in isolation. It coincides with a significant political battle in the United States over immigration policies. A coalition of 20 states, led by Democratic administrations, has filed lawsuits against the Trump administration. These lawsuits aim to prevent the federal government from coercing states into complying with strict immigration enforcement measures in exchange for vital federal funding. The states argue that this pressure is unlawful and undermines their autonomy. Meanwhile, on the international stage, tensions continue to escalate in the Middle East. Riyad Mansour, the Palestinian UN ambassador, expressed hope that President Trump's upcoming visit to the region would help facilitate a ceasefire in the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas. Mansour stated during a UN Security Council meeting, "We hope that President Trump's visit to the region will allow to achieve such a ceasefire and to build a political horizon of freedom for the Palestinian people, security for all and shared prosperity for our region." In a related development, President Trump announced plans to lift all sanctions on Syria, suggesting that it was time for the country to move forward. This move has been met with approval from both the UN and the Syrian government, indicating a potential shift in U.S. foreign policy towards the region. However, Trump's rhetoric towards Iran remains aggressive. He has warned Iran to seize the opportunity for a nuclear deal or face maximum pressure, labeling the nation as the most destructive country in the Middle East. This statement underscores the precarious nature of U.S.-Iran relations and the ongoing complexities of Middle Eastern geopolitics. Back in the U.S., Secretary of State Marco Rubio is set to attend Ukraine-Russia talks in Turkey, a move that highlights the administration's ongoing diplomatic efforts amidst the conflict. Trump has indicated that his Middle East tour, which began in Saudi Arabia, is expected to yield substantial investments in the U.S., including a $142 billion arms deal with Saudi Arabia and various commercial agreements with major tech firms. In a surprising twist, Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer has placed a blanket hold on all Justice Department nominees in response to Trump's acceptance of a $400 million luxury jet from Qatar's royal family. This unprecedented move by Schumer reflects the growing tensions between the Democratic-led Senate and the Trump administration, as he seeks accountability regarding the jet and its implications. Moreover, Trump has encouraged Saudi Arabia to normalize relations with Israel, suggesting that they should do so on their own timeline. This comment indicates a nuanced approach to Middle Eastern diplomacy, emphasizing a desire for stability while allowing regional players to navigate their relationships independently. In domestic policy news, Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is set to face lawmakers for the first time since his confirmation hearings. His leadership at Health and Human Services has seen significant changes, including the dismissal of thousands of employees and the cancellation of billions in federal grants. Kennedy is expected to defend the administration's proposed budget cuts, arguing that they will enable the department to operate more efficiently and focus on its core mission of improving public health. As the political landscape continues to shift, the implications of these events remain to be seen. The indictment of Judge Dugan raises critical questions about the intersection of law and politics, especially in immigration cases. Meanwhile, Trump's actions on the international front could reshape U.S. foreign relations in the Middle East and beyond. The coming weeks will be crucial as these stories develop and the political ramifications unfold. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.